Mastering Everyday English. Vacuum the carpet, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to break down a common household phrase, vacuum the carpet. This phrase is a great example of everyday English, and understanding it can help you in both speaking and listening tasks. So, let's dive in. Vacuum the carpet is a phrase that combines an action, verb, with an object, noun. Vacuum is the action or verb. It means to use a vacuum cleaner, a machine that sucks up dirt, dust, and small particles from surfaces. The word carpet refers to the thick, woven fabric that often covers floors in homes or offices. It's the object or noun in this phrase. Together, the phrase, vacuum the carpet, instructs someone to clean the carpet using a vacuum cleaner. This phrase is commonly used in household contexts. For example, if someone spills crumbs on the carpet, you might hear, "Can you vacuum the carpet?" It's also used in routine cleaning schedules, like, "I vacuum the carpet every Saturday." Understanding this phrase is helpful not only for performing the task but also for comprehending instructions in a home or work environment. You might encounter variations of this phrase. For instance, Hoover the carpet is commonly used in the UK, as Hoover is a popular brand of vacuum cleaners there. Another variation is clean the carpet, which is broader and can include vacuuming, washing, or removing stains. And that's a wrap on vacuum the carpet. We hope this video has cleared up the meaning and usage of this everyday phrase. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding these small but significant details. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering English in no time. See you in our next video.